Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Dora, and in this one I want to show you how to actually find best traffic sources for Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, if this is your first time here on this channel, welcome. My name is Dora, and here you can find a lot of different content on how to actually make money with Clickbank, how to build real solid affiliate marketing business. So if you are interested in this type of information, feel free to subscribe. So basically when it comes to identifying those best traffic sources for Clickbank, because there are thousands of different products here on Clickbank, right, in different niches from different vendors. Basically there is no one specific traffic source that I can point you to and tell you, okay, just go there, get some traffic. This traffic source is proven to work basically for all of those products, right? Because there is a lot of different products here. There is no one specific traffic source that's proven to work for all of them. But what we can do, and what's very, very cool, we can use the strategy that I'm going to show in this video, and we can actually identify what are the best traffic sources per specific product. So for each one of those products here on Clickbank, what are the best traffic sources? And to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on Affiliate Marketplace, and I'm going to show you how this strategy works. It's actually a very, very cool strategy. And let's just pick one category. So let's just click on one, for example, this cooking, food and wine. Now here we have all of those products, right? But again, the question is how we can actually identify what are best traffic sources for each one of those products. So, for example, let's just click on one product. So let's just say that this is a product that I'm promoting. Now, what I want to show in this video is I want to show you the strategy. It doesn't really matter what it is that you are promoting, because this strategy works for pretty much every product here on Clickbank. So basically this strategy will work for whatever it is that you are selling. But just for the sake of this example, I just say that this is the product that I'm promoting. Now the question is, how can I actually identify what are best traffic sources, what traffic sources work best for this product? And to do this, usually people who are making the most money from this product, so basically top affiliates, right, are people who are driving the most traffic to this product, right? So basically what we can do, and I'm going to show you how to do it, we can identify where those top earners, top affiliates are getting their traffic from, and we can go to the same traffic sources, to the same websites, and get our traffic, that way from those traffic sources. And to do this, what I'm going to do is I want to introduce you to the super cool tool called SimilarWeb. Now this tool is actually free, completely free, and basically this tool can help you. It will give you more data about this affiliate product. It will show you where those top affiliates, basically where most traffic is coming from to this product, right? And again, usually people who are driving most traffic to this product are top affiliates, people who are earning the most money from the product, and basically we can model what they are doing. Now to do this, what I want to do is I want to copy URL of my product, and I want to paste it here. So basically here we have more data about this particular affiliate product. Now you can see how the website is ranking. Below it you can see how much visitors the product, that website, is getting per month. Below it, what's very, very cool, you can see where traffic is coming from, right? And basically maybe if you want to do paid advertising, you want to target specific countries, you can easily see here where the traffic is coming from, and you can target those countries. But what I'm looking for is I need to scroll down. Basically I'm looking for this area where it says top referring sites. Now basically those are sites where most traffic is coming from to this particular product. So let me actually zoom in. And again, all of those websites, right, are referring most traffic to this product. So what I can do is I can take a look at those websites, and usually affiliates would place their advertisements on those websites, and we can actually see what they are doing, and you can do pretty much the same thing. So let's actually take a look at a few of those websites. And we can do one more. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. Okay, so as you can see, it's some type of landing page, right? So these affiliates created their own landing page. Okay, so but what I wanna do is I wanna show you example with specific websites, right? How advertisements work and things like that. So let's actually take a look at the second website. So basically, as you can see, this is some type of personal website. Okay, it's personal blog, but usually here on those websites there are two strategies affiliates are using. So the first one, what they would do is basically they would write a blog post, and inside those blog posts they would include their affiliate link. So basically, and every time someone clicks on that link, that those people will be redirected to their affiliate link or maybe to their landing page. And also the second strategy, what they would do is they would pay website owner a little bit of money to place their banner on their website. And again, every time someone clicks on that banner, that person will be redirected to their affiliate link, to their product, whatever it is that they are selling, or maybe to their landing page, right, if they want to build a list. So on this blog, as you can see, this person has blog posts, right? But also here you can see at the right side, on the right side, you can see all of those banners, right? You can see 3 banners. Now usually, again, like those banners would lead to some affiliate offer. So what we can do, for example, we can click on one banner to actually see where it will lead us to. Okay, so you can see this is some type of landing page, right? Yeah, it's basically a landing page. And this is where that person is selling product. And you can see here at the bottom, right, you can see Clickbank badge. So basically this is Clickbank affiliate offer, right, and that person is selling a Clickbank affiliate product. So basically this is one strategy, right? So what you can do, like, you don't necessarily have to create your own website. Now what you can do is you can contact website owner and you can ask that person to actually write a blog post for their website. You can include your link inside the blog post, or maybe you can ask them to place your banner on their website, right? Now in this example, because this is personal website, maybe it will be harder for you to actually get accepted to place your affiliate links on this website, right? But usually this strategy works very, very good with some websites where there is no personality, right? Basically some general websites. For example, let's take a look at the third one. Okay, so for example, this is, there is no personality behind this website. This is basically faceless website. Now, this strategy that I described to you, a few seconds ago, basically this strategy can work very, very well on this website. So what we can do, what I think is happening here, basically affiliates are writing those blog posts, and inside those blog posts, they are including their affiliate links. As you can see, there is a lot of different blog posts here. So what we can do is we can click on one blog post to actually see how they are doing this, how they are promoting their affiliate links. So basically here we have this blog post. You can see here is one link, okay? Maybe it leads to affiliate link, maybe it leads to some other website. Now also here you can see 2 more links, right? Basically, I think this last one actually leads to affiliate offer, so let's click on it to see where it will lead us to. Yeah, this is affiliate offer. So basically, this is how they are promoting their affiliate products. So they would write a blog post, and inside those blog posts, they would actually include their affiliate link. And basically this is, as you can see, this is also a Clickbank offer. So let me turn this off. So what you can do is you can contact this website owner, you can basically ask them to write a blog post for them, and basically you can include your links inside the blog post. Or maybe you can pay them a little bit of money, ask them if they are doing banner advertising, and basically place their banner on their website. Now what's very, very cool, like basically you can take a look at all of those referring websites right here on SimilarWeb, and basically you know, basically you can see what other affiliates are doing to actually generate traffic to this affiliate offer, and you can do the same thing, right? You can basically go to the same websites, place your ad on the same website, because you know traffic from this website is actually, you know, interested in this particular product, because you know they are clicking on their affiliate links, and basically you can model what they are doing. And you know, basically this is a strategy, this is how you can find the best traffic sources for Clickbank affiliate marketing. So again, you know, there is not just one specific traffic source that's proven to work for all of those products on Clickbank, right? Because there is variety of different products. But like you can use similar web to actually find out what top affiliates are doing, people who are driving the most traffic to their affiliate product, what they are doing, how they are doing it, and you can model what they are doing, right? You can basically go to the same websites, you can place your advertisements on the same websites, because you know those websites. Basically people who are coming to those websites are interested in this particular product, right? Because they are clicking on their affiliate links, and basically you know it's proven to work. And basically, you know, this is it for this video. Hopefully you got some value from it. Hopefully this strategy was helpful to you. If you got some value from this video, please give me some thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And also, if you want to take all this knowledge to the mastery level, if you need someone to take you by the hand and show you exactly step by step how to successfully sell Clickbank products or any other affiliate products, what you can do is you can click on the first link in the description, and you can access step-by-step guide that will basically show you exactly step by step how to successfully sell affiliate products. So if you want to learn how to do this, feel free to check it out. And again, this is it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I look forward to talk to you soon.